All right, let's bring in meteorologist Kristi Gordon with a look at the forecast. We have seen some more blue sky outside the station today, Kristi. Hopefully it'll be okay for the riders tomorrow.
Yes, well, I think it actually it depends on what you're okay with, I suppose, Sophie, because we are certainly expecting some smoke, and you can certainly see it out there right now. But as you mentioned, we're also seeing some blue sky, and really that's the pattern where we're going to see it fluctuate at times. So today, across Metro Vancouver, we saw low to moderate risk in terms of that air quality health index. But when we look at everything a little bit further out through the Fraser Valley, the air quality was at a high risk, and through the Howe Sound region, a moderate risk. But then up towards Whistler, it was at a very high risk level. So that's really what we're going to contend with over the next few days, not just today, where we're going to see these fluctuating smoke conditions. And you can see this is today's satellite image. It is thick across the region, and we really aren't anticipating a significant change. So I'm shifting the forecast forward into part of next week. So this is by Wednesday of next week, and we may see a little bit of a clearing along the coast, but you can see how thick it is in through the interior region. So in the forecast right now, we don't still have a major shift to blow things out of the region. Saturday, tomorrow afternoon, we are expecting a little bit more cloud cover, and we have a very slight chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm in areas like Merritt and over towards Princeton. It's Sunday that we have a better chance of showers, but even at that, it's not enough moisture to really help to clear the air mass out. So a heads up on that. That chance of showers is much better for the weekend on Sunday for Metro Vancouver. For our region tomorrow, we'll see a little bit more cloud cover, but really the pattern is similar to today, where we're expecting smoky conditions, and temperatures will be not too bad at 21 degrees, but quite a bit of humidity, so it'll feel like 27. Back to you, Sophie.
All right, thanks, Kristi.
We did get a glimpse of clearer skies this afternoon here in the Lower Mainland. We'll bring Kristi in now with a look at the forecast as we get into the weekend. Kristi, how's it looking?
Well, unfortunately, we will be contending with this smoke on and off for the next few days, particularly tomorrow. The scene out there right now, you can see the haze across the region. Now, Metro Vancouver, throughout the day today, the air quality health index was fluctuating between a low to moderate, and it was particularly across western sections that it was at a low level. But you can see just now in this last hour, the northwestern sections are now at a moderate level. Throughout the day today, though, it's been pretty consistent that the Fraser Valley has maintained a high risk level. Howe Sound seems to be at a moderate risk level today, and then up towards Whistler, it was at a high risk. And we really don't expect much of a change as we head into tomorrow. So when we look at the picture, this is today's satellite image. It seems to be a little bit clearer across the eastern sections, but you can still see a lot of smoke sort of pushed into the valleys there, and then widespread smoke across these western sections. And this is the air quality out there right now. We're in the southern interior. It is at a moderate level. So the pattern over the next little while is not going to change much. We do anticipate that the smoke will stick around. It may be until the middle part of next week. Tomorrow we have a slight risk of an isolated thunderstorms in a few of those areas, but otherwise it's expected to be muggy and warm, and we are looking at a chance of showers as we head into Sunday. So really that's the pattern, is for it to be hot and muggy over the next few days, especially tomorrow. We are going to see humidity as well, where humidex values across Metro Vancouver will be up to 27. And here's tonight's Gloverdale paint weather window, which is right after this 5-day forecast for everyone. And it's coming to you from high above the smoke, where over sort of the Quesnel area headed north, Richard captured the smoke from up above in the sky. So that's a really cool scene. All right, Kate, back to you. I know I'm over my time now.
That's where the blue sky is. All right, thanks, Kristi.
Yeah, tough to escape that smoke, obviously. Crazy. All right,
Lobster is a stunt double.